Hello guys, this is Mark from Always Soul 123. Today video walk around about this Audi S3 with the of course perfect color, and it's a 2019 guys. Gorgeous car. Just look at it. Let's just go over it without any words. Okay, you can see it yourself. Vehicle's running. I got my headphones on, so I'm not sure. I'm doing this video on my cell phone. John is not here today. Can't do on a professional camera, so I'm not sure how you're gonna hear the sound of the car. It should be very clear because I'm using my buds from Samsung. But anyways, we're gonna go quick to a windshield. You can see there's no cracks in the windshield, no damages on the dashboard. You got no damages on the hood, no damages anywhere. Minor little rock chips here and there. All right, that's a S3 model, guys. Beautiful color, nice drilled rotors, nice calipers, guys. Michelin tires right there. Take a look. Here's your tread. Tread is good. These your brake pads. Now you got nice body on this side, carbon mirrors. Guys, gorgeous car. Michelin tires on this side, the brake pads. I mean, body wise, we don't have a stories. We don't. There's nothing to say about the car. Probably this video is gonna be very quick. You got nice interior. Take a look. It's carbon inserts. Look at that monitor. Nice S-line steering wheel, bucket seats. I'm pretty much S3. That's pretty much it. Okay, that's a badge for S. Original floor mats. I'm gonna open this up. You got a manual right there. You got USB connection. You got cigarette lighter connection. All right. Looks like it has parking sensors. Interior is perfect. You have a black headliner with the big roof. Okay. Now we're gonna go to this side, and the trunk. You got that carbon lip right there. You got the parking sensors right there. You got a backup camera right there. Come back to the rear door. Door is perfect. Hey, bottom line, guys, I don't know what to say. The car is super nice. It's like new, but it's not. All right, and it's a fraction of cost. It's not that expensive, guys, to own this car. Okay. All right, you got. Look at that. Everything is here. Spare is here. I love the color. I love it. Let's go under. That's the bottom undercarriage. You can see it's a Florida car. S3, guys, 2019 S3. I believe this is called like Sprint Blue, is it? I don't know. It used to call Sprint Blue. I remember I had a S4 with manual transmission back in the days. I'm gonna come here. You got Bang & Olufsen radio. You got. Man, I'm gonna sit down because it's too hot over there, guys. I can't just. Let's just see what we have here. 112,565 with miles. Now we're gonna Navi. Okay, so it does have Navi. Then you could change the view. Okay. Okay. So navigation. All right. Right here you go. Yeah, navigation. Nice big monitor. Quattro, guys. Beautiful. Smells good inside. Clean. No dog hair. No cigarette smells. Like completely like nothing bad about say about the car. Even there's not even a scratch on the interior panels. Whoever owned this car was amazing. Thank you, sir or ma'am, wherever you are. Let's just open up the quick open up the hood. Guys, this vehicle sold as is. Dealer fees, taxes, registration is not included in price. Feel free to call us directly if you need more pictures or more information. Shipping $1.25 per mile. Uh, payments through wire transfers and documents through DocuSign, electronic signatures if you're not present to sign. Take a look. Clean, 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 clean. Beautiful. Sounds good, looks good, that means it's good. Guys, please feel free to email us anytime. Also, feel free to ask questions. If you need to send somebody to inspect the car, please do. Let them come in. Also, if you have any question about the shipping, where you're located, just give us the zip code and we will get you the shipping quote. Guys, don't forget to like my video and also sign up, because every day I advertise the cars, and every day I list these videos online. You will see the first one to see. The first one to see, of course, it's on YouTube. We advertise cars on YouTube first. Guys, please like this video just to help us out, and sign up or subscribe or whatever you want to a channel to get always more uh, vehicles to be posted and to be actually notify you that we have this car. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. By the way, that's me right there. And thanks from always all 123. God bless and bye bye.